Welcome or welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel to automatically highlight overdue tasks. This is a simple and efficient way to stay on top of deadlines without checking them one by one. So I have a basic task tracker here with task description, assigned to, due date, and status. Notice that some tasks already have due dates in the past. It will be very easy to miss this. So instead of checking dates manually, let's create a rule to highlight anything that is overdue. So what we want is, if a task is overdue and not completed, Excel should highlight that rule automatically. So first, I'll select the rows where I want the formatting to apply. So this is basically my whole task list. Next, I'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, and then I'll select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. And then I'll go right in here. So basically what this formula does is, it says if the due date in column D is earlier than today and the status in column E is not completed, then Excel will apply the formatting. So I'll click the format and then here, so we still need to choose what we want to happen when this formula applies. So I'll go right ahead and click format, and then I'll go to fill and I'll choose the red color and hit on OK and OK again. Now see what just happened. You can see that all the overdue tasks are instantly highlighted in red. Notice how the completed task, this one, even though its date has passed, it's not highlighted. This is because the formula excludes anything that is marked completed. So now let's test this. So if I change this task status from not started to completed, the red highlight completely disappears. So as you can see, with just one simple conditional formatting rule, you can make overdue tasks pop out immediately. So this feature works really great for task lists, project trackers, or anything with deadlines. Now, as a bonus tip, you don't have to stop at overdue tasks. So you can also highlight tasks that are due soon. For example, let's say I want Excel to flag anything that is due in the next 3 days. So I'll just go right ahead and add another conditional formatting rule. So same steps as before. So select the area and then go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Use a Formula. And to speed things up, I'll just copy and paste instead of typing it out. So this checks if the due date is today or within 3 days and the task isn't completed yet. So I'll go right ahead and format this with a yellow fill. And click on OK. So now you can see overdue tasks in red and upcoming ones in yellow. So this makes it really super easy to prioritize what needs attention right away. And that's it. With conditional formatting, your tracker now highlights overdue tasks in red and upcoming ones in yellow. So this provides a really simple but powerful way to manage deadlines. So folks, if you found this useful, give it a like and a subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take this a little further by adding progress indicators to your task tracker.